Hey there everyone, welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, helps out with the YouTube algorithm, helps keep me alive, gets these videos out to more people. So let's talk about the market. We had a fantastic day yesterday. Of course, the market was up just massive. S&P up over 3%, Dow up over 2%, and the NASDAQ up over 4% on the day. If you don't know, the reason we got that bump was because Jerome Powell, the head of the Federal Reserve, come out and said that we could see lower rate hikes starting in December. Now, a lot of people have been kind of calling that he could drop and do a 50-point basis hike in December. I've not believed he was going to do that. He had said he was doing 75. That's what I was kind of looking for and expecting him to do. However, he's now coming out and saying that we could see them lower rate hikes starting in December. Now, that does not mean it's a for sure thing, okay? Jerome come out and said that it's possible that we could see these lower rate hikes, which means we could just get maybe a 50-point basis hike. However, if the CPI numbers come out and they're up, then we're not going to see that. So I am not convinced that we're going to have a lower rate hike in December, but he is coming out, starting to talk about it, and that gets my attention and gets me watching it. So we could have that lower rate hike. That's why the market is reacting. And what does it mean for a short term? Well, it means that we're going to have a little bit more run on this bear rally that we've been or a bull rally that we've been having. I've been thinking that we were pretty close to the top and that we could see a leg down anytime. However, this is going to give us a little bit more room. Now, we had a huge day yesterday. Will we have another good day today, or will it pull back? It's actually setting up like we could have another good day at this point. We've been down in the pre-market. We've actually just kind of flipped. We're up about 1/3%. If crypto goes green, which crypto's starting to green up already this morning, it was all in the red. My watch list for my crypto is starting to green up. If we can get green out of crypto, I think that we could get another, percent or maybe more today out of the market. So we could have yet another rally, which would be huge on the back of the numbers that we had yesterday. So definitely going to be paying attention to that. With the markets rallying yesterday, as you know, we got out of a couple of positions we've been holding for a while. Our IMPPs and our NEOs, very happy about that. And we could really see, like maybe Coinbase. I'm still holding some Coinbase. I could get a good rally out of Coinbase today and potentially get rid of a position there. Give myself that opportunity that if we leg back down, that I can pick up some more Coinbase, which would be great. So I'm going to be keeping my eye on that. And overall, I'm just really going to be watching the market. If you're out there, if you've already started shorting the market, this is why I said we needed to be patient and wait for a direction. I thought that we had run up and that we could be turning back anytime. However, it's news like this that we've been waiting on to see what happens. Now, I am going to go ahead and answer the question, what happens if the CPI numbers come out and they are hot? That is going to be my moment where I'm going to start looking at shorting this market. Because if the CPI numbers come out and they're hot, chances are he is going to do a 75-point basis hike, which at this point will not be priced in. We see these markets continue to rally. They're definitely going to be pricing in for that 50. If he comes out and does a 75, it will tank the market, and we will see that next leg down, and could potentially be 20 to 30% from where we are now. That is a pretty big move to the downside, but that is where we're looking at. When we look at the charts, that's where we're looking at. If we have another big leg down, that 20 to 30%. I mean, we've already came up right at 17% off of our lows where we were at not very long ago. So just to get back down to there, we're looking at a 20% downturn. Looking for that next leg down that we're expecting when we look at the charts, you're looking at closer to 30%. And that is a huge turn. And that's why I've been cautioning everybody and saying let's be patient, because I didn't want anyone getting in at the top and then having that big leg down and lose 20-30% of your portfolio or more, depending on what stocks you're in, just because of that downturn. However, at least for the short term, I do see a continued bullishness, and we're going to end up seeing this market go a little bit higher on that news. At least that's what we should see. We never know what we're going to see in the stock market. Sometimes you get great news and it goes the other way, or vice versa. But that is what I'm looking at this moment. So get out there, make some money. If you don't have a watch list, if you're out there and you're wanting to learn how to trade, the most important thing I can tell you is build yourself out a watch list. Some companies, Apple, Google, Amazon, Facebook, some great companies, maybe a company something local to your area. Get it on your watch list, look at it every day, start learning the numbers. Once you learn the numbers, then you have the opportunity to really know where you're going. So I'm going to be watching the market today. I'm going to see if I get a position to be able to take somewhere. Like I said, I'm going to be watching my Coinbase. We made a ton of money on Coinbase for about 3 weeks there. It's been a little bit of sleep here lately, but maybe we'll get back on that train. And also, I told you yesterday I picked up a position in WISA. I said it was down, picked it up a little under 10 cents. I did go ahead and sell it this morning at 11.8 cents, which made me a solid 20% gain on that trade. I was very happy. I told you yesterday that's exactly what I was looking for, was 15 to 20%, and it gave me that 20%. Very happy with that. For those in my Discord that kind of gave me that shout out, I appreciate it. Keep the winners coming. I learn from everyone just the same as I hope you're learning from me. This is about building a community where everyone can get out there and make money. Nobody's trying to beat anybody. We're trying to show you how to use this money printing machine, and I assure you there is more than enough to go around. Get over here on the Discord with me, follow me on my videos, and come get your piece of it. So until next time, catch me this afternoon, and until then, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions, always trade by the numbers.